Gusto mo bang manalo ng cash prize habang natututo? Join us in the search for 10 Readers of the Month. Good day, kids! Can anyone tell me about what this square's for? That will be our lesson for today. In this video, I am going to explain the first 3 place values of a certain number. We will be using 3 squares to represent the different place values. Red for the ones, blue for the tens, and yellow for the hundreds. Just remember that for each square, it will allow only 1 digit. Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan ang ating lesson on place value, gagamit tayo ng larawan ng isda. Kung meron akong isang pirasong isda, saan ko ilalagay? Sa placeholder natin? Is it in the hundreds place? Is it on the tens place? Or is it on the ones place? See it? It is on the ones place. How about if I got 5 pieces of fish? Aling place value ang ating gagamitin? You are right! 5 can still be accommodated in the ones place. How about 9? Can it still be accommodated in the ones place? The answer is yes. 9 can still be accommodated in the ones place. How about 10? Can it still be accommodated in the ones place? Remember that our placeholder, the square one, can accommodate only 1 digit. Ano ang gagawin natin? Now, our tens place has 1 and the ones place has 0. Therefore, it means that the tens place has a value of 10. This means that numeral 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. Ano ang magiging itsura ng ating 12? Magkakaroon kaya ng value ang ones? Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa kanya? Sa 12, merong 110 and then 2 ones. Kapag tinanong ka kung ano ang value ng tens place, your answer will be 1 tens or simply 10. Kapag ang tinanong naman sa iyo kung ano ang value ng ones place, the answer will be 2 ones. Indihan niyo na ba kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng blue square at ang red square? Paano naman kaya kung meron akong 99 pieces of fish? Paano ko kaya isuswak sa ating 3 squares? Magkakaroon na kaya ng laman ang hundreds place? O hanggang tens place lang tayo? Tingnan natin. Sa tens place, meron tayong 9. At sa ones place, meron din tayong 9. Always remember that for each place value, it can only accommodate 1 digit. Ngayong nadagdagan pa ng isang isda, magiging 100 na silang lahat. Paano ko naman isuswak sa ating place value ang numeral 100? Naisip nyo na ba kung papaano? Yan ang huling lesson natin. O ayan na, meron ng laman ang hundreds place at ang tens place ay 0. Likewise, ang ones place ay may 0 digit. As a summary, for a 3-digit number, there is a place, and each place there is a value. I hope you learned something today on place values. Sa mga parents na interesado mag-join sa IVFC family, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin ng IVFC Early Learners Info page ng Facebook or mag-email lang po sa aking address. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.